Hello everyone! Welcome back to Spark Math! Today, we're going to learn addition strategy. Let's do some warm-up.
Now let's see the effective process.
How many pieces were eaten altogether?
4/5 of a piece.
What is the shape that can be formed by two squares?
Rectangle.
How can you use different numbers to make 90?
50 plus 40 equals to 90.
Wow! Great job, team! You each received 2 stars.
Yes!
Look how much we learned today. That was a fun class. Remember to submit your little teacher presentation.
Bye-bye! Spark Math is the best. You should totally join us.